Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to increase download speed on iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's reset your network connections. Open your settings, turn on airplane mode and leave it on for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off. This refreshes your signal and can help with temporary speed issues. Next, we'll check for any VPN connections that might be slowing things down. Go to Settings, scroll to General and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you see any VPN profiles there, go ahead and delete them, unless you're using one for work or privacy. Now let's fix your DNS settings, which can affect how fast your phone connects to websites and apps. Go back to Wi-Fi settings, tap the info icon, I, next to your current network, then scroll down to configure DNS. Switch it from automatic to manual. Remove any existing servers, then add these two, 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare DNS servers. They're fast and reliable. Tap Done once you're finished. Finally, go ahead and restart your iPhone to let all these changes take effect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.